Here's the one that I think a lot of you guys should pay attention to. This is the new dashboard of the 21-foot Switch Limited. All right, this is the top of the line Switch. All the bells and whistles, all the doodads, all the big whiz-bang stuff. I want you to pay attention to two things on this. First, the 10.25-inch wide color touchscreen. Second, the all-new gauge pods on the handlebars. Yes, Chuck. Chuck is correct. No more split screen. All right. Look at the control pods on the handlebars. Look, there is a toggle there. You can, okay, yeah. If you look on the left-hand side by the thumb, below the trim control, you will see toggle controls. All right. So that while at speed, you can toggle the cursor. Obviously, on the right-hand side, you're also going to see other control functions. Sea-Doo is not going to spend the money on a completely redesigned handlebar, pad, and control pods and keep it solely for one machine. Obviously, we're going to see it come down the line for Switches, and Switch will see it first. Obviously, that follow the money. Where's the low-hanging fruit? Where's the money going to be spent? All right? This, in my opinion, is the biggest deal. This is going to be the new tech package. This is going to be what replaces and puts Sea-Doo ahead of Yamaha by a mile. This is what's going to, the 325 puts Sea-Doo ahead of Cowie. The dashboard and the dash functions and the handlebar controls are what's going to put Sea-Doo ahead of Yamaha. Sea-Doo pulled ahead of both Yamaha and Cowie this year. Now, did they do it on one machine? No. Hero of mine. What the hell is this? Hero of mine. No, they are not. They are not available on any Sea-Doos. This is not available on any Sea-Doo Watercraft. It is only available on the limited edition Sea-Doo Switch Tritoon boat. All right. But again, follow the money. Follow the money. Follow the money. Follow the money. Sea-Doo is not going to spend the money on this dashboard just to have it on one thing. They've never done it before in the history of ever. And everything always trickles down. Everything always trickles down. That split screen, that is the tech package, was on all the Can-Ams and was on all the Ski-Doos before. And Watercraft got it later. Same goes for here. All right. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.